How to create a new channel for your community on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp. Once inside, in the bottom bar next to Updates, click Communities. Here, you'll find all the active communities you're in. At the top, click New Community. Then, click Get Started. On this screen, you can enter the community name and a welcome message. Clicking on the image at the top lets you change the image. Once you're done, click the next arrow in the bottom right. Once inside the community, click in the top right, then Community Settings to change who can add new members or groups. Click Invite Members to copy and send the group link via WhatsApp, or to add a new member directly. Finally, by going to Community Info, you can change all the settings mentioned above, plus some new ones, such as changing your name and welcome message.